Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 hyping or latency. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser, you need to go to support.activision.com, and then you need to sort it out basically by Warzone, and then you need to look if the all platforms is online and basically Activision servers are working. So if it's not working, you just need to wait, and if it's working, then you can do other steps. So the first step that you can do here is to test your internet connection, and you need to make sure that you have good internet connection. You can go to speedtest.net or other websites that test your internet. So if you have a good internet connection, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe then limit some devices or restart your router, right? And so if you did this and the problem persists, if you have high ping or latency, then another thing that you can do here, you can open up command prompt or cmd and then run as administrator. And then here you just need to write ip config/DNS. And then you need to write mesh winsock reset. And after you do so, restart your computer, and then you need to look if you having high ping or not. And if the problem persists, then on the bottom right corner you should see system tray and your internet and network settings. So press on that, press on advanced network settings, and press on network reset. But keep in mind that it will reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this means basically if you're using Ethernet, you're good to go. You don't need to do basically nothing. But if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to make sure to know your Wi-Fi password, because it will ask you to relog into your Wi-Fi again. And then you start your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to more adapter options here. And disable your internet for a 5 seconds, from 5 to 10 seconds, and then enable again, and then right click on it and make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then go to internet protocol version 4, and then select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to basically try using VPN. I have Privado VPN, super cheap and good VPN. It's around $2 a month. I will leave the link in the description below if you want to. But it's cool that basically it lets you sort out basically servers by latency. So if I go to locations here, and I can sort out by latency from low to high. And for me, as you can see here, is from Poland servers, Warsaw, and I can connect to the server, and then I can try to play the game. And usually it works very good for me if I have high latency with VPN. So if you're interested, I will leave the link in the description below. Of course, you can use different VPNs if you want to, it's completely up to you. But if you want to support my channel, you can also click the link. And if you bought this VPN, I will get a small commission for that. All right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.